This is why you need to stop struggling with a jammed console. No tools or special skills required. Let's fix it together. First, make sure your car is off and the keys are out. Safety first. Now take a look at your center console. Is it stuck because of something blocking it? Sometimes coins or pens can jam the lid. Gently wiggle the console and see if you can spot anything inside. If you see an object, try to slide it out with your fingers or a flat tool like a butter knife. If it's still stuck, check around the hinge at the back. Dirt and debris can build up here. Use a soft brush or a cloth to clean around the hinge. Sometimes that's all it takes to free it up. Still not opening? The latch might be the problem. Press down gently while trying to open it or push the button a few times. If the latch feels loose, it might need tightening. For that, you'll need a small screwdriver to carefully tighten any visible screws. If these steps don't work, the latch may be broken. You can find affordable replacement latches online or at an auto parts store. Just match the part to your car's make and model. And that's it. Most center console problems have a simple fix. Save yourself a trip to the shop and give these steps a try. Thanks for watching. Your car console should be working again in no time.